In this series presented by Abir Pothi, we delve into the world of art crimes, a hidden realm where priceless pieces of art and heritage are stolen, smuggled, and traded far from their rightful places. The Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum heist, which occurred on 18 March 1990, remains the largest art theft in history, with stolen artworks valued at over $500 million. The crime, executed with meticulous planning, unfolded in the early hours of the morning when two men disguised as police officers deceived the museum's security guards. Claiming they were responding to a disturbance, the thieves gained entry, subdued the guards, and bound them in the basement. They then proceeded to steal 13 invaluable pieces, including masterpieces by Vermeer and Rembrandt. Despite decades of investigation by the FBI and museum officials, no arrests have been made, and none of the stolen pieces have been recovered. Numerous leads have emerged over the years, with speculation pointing to connections with organized crime in Boston. Some theories suggest the artworks might still be hidden in private collections within the United States. The museum offers a $10 million reward for information leading to the recovery of the stolen pieces, the largest bounty ever offered by a private institution. The heist has transcended mere criminal history, becoming a cultural phenomenon. It has inspired countless books, documentaries, and films. The empty frames of the stolen artworks remain on display at the museum, standing as stark reminders of the loss. These frames serve as a poignant memorial, embodying both grief and the enduring hope for justice within the art community. Efforts to recover the stolen treasures continue unabated. The case remains open, captivating investigators and art enthusiasts alike as the world holds its breath for the possible return of these cultural masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned to Abir Pothi for more exciting content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.